So young men who are here, Kangema Moranga, keep your eyes open. You find both beauty and lasting love. So no, Jugire, by the way, you know, if I was to be honest, the most beautiful women in this land of ours come first and foremost from a place called Gatito in Keganjo, Gatondo South. They are sitting here. Yeah, well, that's number one. But number two is a place called Kangema in Murang'a. Kangema produces, I might tell you, it produces. And I think we can see Mrs. Kamodo sitting here. You can see Mrs. Kiromo sitting here. No, you can see me, myself. I went there to Kangema. My Wanjiro there. Mutu ajaribu kuguza. I can see people live here. You can see the beauty here of Erica Kanja. You see even my brother hata here alivutwa huko tu. So young men who are here, Kangema Moranga, keep your eyes open. You find both beauty and lasting love. So and intelligence and wit. You know, all those wonderful things. Over and above that, we just thank God, we pray for our country, and we are what we are where we are. Kila mtu atafungua macho akiendelea mbele. Sasa nitaona. Kanani atemami. Eti guo. Kwirago wanero utaiguaga asiyofundishwa na mamake afundishwa na dunia. Ifikie hapo. Mungu awabariki. Asante sana.